Hello! Ako si Ramir Christopher Reyes, 33 taong gulang mula sa lungsod ng Lucena. ESL teacher slash call center agent. Hello kuya, I hope natatandaan niyo pa ako. Ito na yung pang-apat na beses kong mag-audition sa PDP. Naalala ko yung unang audition ko na parang nangangampanya pa ako. And pagkatapos noon, I asked Direct Lauren para magpa-picture. My second audition was the most unforgettable one kasi out of the 50 or 80 people inside the room, ako yung nabigyan ng pink stickers noon para mag-move on sa next round. This time, I really want to showcase my colorful personality inside your house. Kuya, I am bold enough to voice out what I truly believe in. Hindi na ako natatakot kung ano man sabihin ng bawat tao about me. I have been rejected, misunderstood, and tested many times, and I'm still standing, and I'm doing everything that I can to connect myself in the right path and be the best version of myself. Kuya, I know ito na ang takdang panahon para ipagkulong mo sa akin ang pangarap kong maging ganap na housemate sa bahay mo. See you soon, Kuya.